What is up, man? We back out here. We somewhere off Manchester, man. Chilling. Seeing what's good, man. Y'all drop that like. Y'all drop that subscribe. Roscoe's Chicken. Rest in peace, P&B though, you know. Alright, so we on Manchester. We about to cross under this 110 real quick. Alright, man, we finally made it on Manchester. See what's going on out here, man. Drop that like, drop that subscribe. Put your boy on this cloudy. Oh, here goes girl. She seems to be
She seems to be covered out this morning out here.
Once again, man, drop that like, drop that subscribe. We out here chilling, bro. You know how we do. Basically make a big U. No pun intended. We out, man. Damn, I forgot. Oh yeah, I forget about the females, bro. I'm sorry, you guys. I got carried away. Oh no. Yeah. I guess she say she give it one more go around. Damn, that car's still here, bro. What the? Can I hit that? Oh, man. It's just too easy. Just drop that like and drop that subscribe as we let this lady get through. I don't want to be in the street either. Hey, I wonder did I know him, bro? He had his e-bike. I have no idea who he... Anybody know who this is? Like, who is this? So I think I'm gonna wrap this video up, you guys. So we're gonna get on up out of here, man. I'm your boy Elevated. I appreciate you guys on Scoops as always, man. You guys know I love you guys. And for YouTube, hey, the people that rock with me, the recurring viewers, I love you guys. All the new viewers, thanks, man. I appreciate it. I just like riding. And as long as I'm riding, I'm recording. I'm your boy Elevated, signing out live from South LA. Peace. Stay elevated.